Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where you are watching from. While a governor-elect, Chukwuma Soludo, promised to promote made in Anambra and Igbo products, he has demonstrated that commitment by wearing Akwete designs and clothings. He also done beyond just using the product himself, but provided a platform to launch out Anambra and Igbo-made products to the world. And in that resolve, we had Anambra Fashion Expo 2022. It just happened. We showed you the opening ceremony and showcase of various goods and products in Anambra. In case you missed that one, just go to our channel, latest videos, you will find it. Today, we're going to show you the fashion show. Anambralians will feature in a fashion show. As you can already see, the stage is set for that. And most everything you see today being paraded as fashion show is made in Anambra. And Anambra is ready to launch out to the world. These are all homemade products. Don't be surprised. Yes. Yesterday, the other day, you saw the hats. You know, several things you would think they were imported. No, none of these are imported. And let's go there. Before we go, the target is to launch out Anambra, expose Anambra to the world. We will not continue to become. We will not continue to remain an importing economy. We need to export. I said, if you missed the other video, please go back. You will see the video. Meanwhile, let's see what is happening here.
There's a whole lot that we can learn from this new way of life. However,
that is Soludo's daughter anchoring the program.
Our own acceptability of the process and see what positive initiative we can give to keep this flame alive. It's an inclusive spirit, it's our language, our home and essence, our dreams.
The stage is almost set.
On this note,
you will not regret watching this. They will soon be coming out.
Having one way or another helped us this far. I want to particularly thank my dad, the governor of this great state, for always supporting the creative arts and being a huge champion of the creative industry. I also want to thank the amazing team behind Anambra Fashion Expo that have worked tirelessly since we began this journey. We're here today because each of your efforts came together to form a finely knit masterpiece. Thanks, and God bless you all for being part of today's history. I'm so excited. Thank you for coming.
Wow, that was Soludo's daughter.
Ọ bụ eziokwu na ụbọchị ndị nwe nta ka ha nwee bọọlụ maka na nkọwapụta asịrị ala ụbọchị gboo mgbe elu bụ ala ọsa mgbe isi dị n'ugwu ụgwa mgbe isi akwa ka dị ebe amachiri ya mgbe anya mmọnwụ ka dị ebe arụgburu ya.
Can you see how this guy delivers the whole of what he says in Igbo? It's amazing. Listen carefully.
Ihe niile agbanwechala. Ekike ndị isi ọcha bụzi okwu abụ n'ọnụ. Onye nkeghị ka ndị isi ọcha eche na ọ maghị nke ekwe na-akụ. Ma anyị echefuo na ihe nwoke na-aza bụ ọtịmkpụ na ọ naghị azụ ụtọ ofe. Maka na ọdịbendị na-adịghị ibe ha ogirisi na-agba mme. Ihe mbụ na-egosipụta onye mmadụ bụ ekike ya nke akwa mejupụtara na ya. Akwa bụ ihe mbụ na-egosi ọdịnala ndị maka na ọ bụ bede ka esi ejebe nkwụ. Igbo bụ Igbo achọba isi ọchụ aga n'ụzụ. Mgbe gboo ihe anyị ji eme akwa bụ Akwete, mana dịka mmepe obodo bidoro
Akwete, the main focus Akwete design.
Anyị gbahapụ Akwete anyị wee sobe ekike ndị isi ọcha ma ya echefuo na nwata chọba iri anụ rie udele usoro udele were lawa. Akwete nwere ụzọ dị iche iche eji akwa ya iji wepụta mma ya na mma ahụ anyị chi anyị nyere anyị. N'ụwa tata, Ankara ya bụ abada bụzi ihe eji nọchi anya Akwete, bụkwa nke esi na ya wee na-akwalite omenala na ọdịnala anyị. Ọtụtụ nnyocha emere kọwara na ọtụtụ ihe ederede dị na Ankara bụ ụzọ esi ezilite ozi. Ọtụtụ aha
the whole essence is promoting our
dị iche
home.
iche sitere n'iru
And these are ready for exports.
na omenala anyị dịgasị n'iche iche.
I got something I import every time. I am we find export.
Maka na ọ bụ aka anyị ka anyị ji emepụta ya. Ọ bụ ya mere o ji wee dị mkpa na anyị ga-eji nkala were buru ya. Ndị Igbo ka m jụọ, ọ bụ gịnị mere anyị ji wee gbahapụ akwa anyị ma anyị echefuo na ihe nwoke na-azakwanụ bụ n'ote nkwụ? Maka na ụbọchị buru gboo na maka ọkụkọ adaka na oke ọnụ ahịa, o nwegburu onye ji nnụnụ were gọọ. Igbo asị na chere nkala adụghị Igbo, maka na nkata kpụrụ okwu ọghọọ ngịga. Aṅụ mmiri eji bịa ọrụ akpịrị ezu ike, mmiri ju ite anaghị abịa ya aka. Ndị be anyị ọsọ nọ n'ọdụ igu nọ na mgbapụ, tinyekwara na nwata rie ihe ọ na-amụrụ anya ụra eburu ya. Abụ Maazị Nnemeka Nnerede, chere nka bịa abụghị Igbo nsọ.
That was nice. That was nice. Rendered purely in Igbo language. And now the fashion show begins.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for that performance one more time. Igbo culture is one culture that is very diverse when it comes to fashion, language, what we eat, and a whole lot of things. Today, please pay close attention to this documentary.
Fashion has been one of mankind's modes of expression from time immemorial. Beyond serving as an item of clothing to protect against the elements, it is over time transformed to embody and exalt the whole essence of man's identity, our way of life, our ideologies, the bond we share, who we are. Through fashion, our people have been able to communicate without saying a word, expressing their rich heritage, their diversity, their ingenuity, with every strand in the fabric serving as a genetic code, passing down the expressions of the great and proud people that came before us. Every day, humans struggle to meet their basic needs, which include shelter, food, and what to wear. All these needs and how they are met have cultural prescriptions. Thus, there are indigenous architecture, foods and fashion styles and clothing that identify a people and make them distinct from other people.
Akwete belongs to us.
The community in Anambra State is very robust. And I was driven by young people, young creative people who are doing so much. It would interest you to know that Anambra has a very, very unique fashion community, even though they're working in silence, as it were. So what AFA does is to put them in a hub where they can co-create, where they can do things together and be able to celebrate their craft.
While culture is dynamic and evolves over time, cultural identities are resilient and must find expression in between times.
Culture is dynamic. People wear
industry, and I think growing up in Nigeria as well,
Yes,
so many designs.
Well, starting with Anambra. What's that, Yano? What's that, Tigo? Tell us. Can you see what is happening? Tell us. These are all made in Anambra. Materials made in Anambra. Everything you see there. You know, remember the first day we showed you the clothing that are yet to be made into clothes to wear. Yeah. Today we are showing you a display of those materials. You know, having been made clothes for you to see. There are several designers that came for this particular show. Yeah. There are several designers, and they all have a stockpile of nice clothing. I think that was the owner. That is the owner of the outfit.
Hold it. So this next design you're about to see right now is called Bosco Clothing. Every outfit I'm going to wear tonight was made by him, and every outfit you're going to see is also made by him. And the shoes are by Nancy Shoecraft. Both live here in Anambra State. The shoes by Nancy Shoecraft from Colombia, and the outfits by Bosco Clothing right here in Oka.
Made in Anambra.
So let's get them. Let's get them on stage.
And not only female wears, male wears too. Yeah, fashion is not just about women. Come working in a fashion. I like Mamuka. I like it. You can't get the car park. And I have one. Oh, I busy. I don't know. I quite going in a year. I wanted to know that in China. The buy you tap with it. I buy a swear. All our quite to buy. I can't know what I need. No, this China. Ready or good men. I know where I'm going. If you got your photo material, I see a million. But a million. A back a million. Buy now. Anambra. And leave. I wish no Kezi Bazoha. Other states don't have Boya arrange one care. While it was also Anambra. Other states main care. Everything development. Any cocoa export, not just import. ife na-afụ ọ na-egbu ọgụ n'anya, ọ na-egbukwa mmụọ ọgụ na ama m ahụ sọsọ ebe a ka Soludo ya kwụsị ife a, ọ ya etinyegasị aka n'ife ndị ọzọ. Ife anyị na-ayọzi Chineke udo dị n'ala Igbo ka ọ gbaghara dị, maka ụdị ife anya na-eme na ọ na ọgbaghara. Chetakwana dịka anyị si ekwu na chanel a ụkwa gbasara ọbụla sọ ndị Igbo be anyị, ma ndị Igbo o nwere ndị Igbo ndị Igbo n'obodo oyibo aha asụkwa n'Igbo, ndị dịka ndị elelele mgbe a na-eme ohu. Ọtụtụ n'ime ha na-achọ na-afụ ife anyị na-eme. Anyị na-asụsụ Igbo ha ya ghọta, ya na-emekwa anyị ji asụ n'oyibo na chanel a. Anyị nwere ọtụtụ ife onyonyo na chanel anyị na-ekwu about Igbo history. Ọtụtụ ndị be anyị nwe ndị elele na mgbe slave, mgbe a na-ele ohu na-achọkwana ị na-afịa, anyị sụọ ya n'oyibo ha wee ghọta. Chanel a gbasara ndị Igbo, mana anyị na-asụkwa oyibo ka ndị Igbo ha asụ Igbo nọpụrụ anọpụ, ndị a na-akpọ Black Americans.
Because now we're moving on to the next fashion house on this runway. We have...
I've seen this one and it's beautiful. You guys are gonna love this.
I don't even want to look.
You're gonna love
this. Because we have Exalted.
This is another fashion line from another group. I hope Black Americans are watching. This is Igbo Meds. Begin to patronize us. We are one with you. Many Black Americans are Igbos. Yes. We speak in English for your understanding. These are all homemade products. When you watch, share with your people. This channel brings you home somehow. What you wish to see from your source, from your origin, you see it on this channel. Histories, several of them. Igbo Area TV. Ebe ọ na-ekpọtụ. Maka ndị amarọ ọwụ na ọkịta ka ị na-abanye ife a na-eshowcase ebe a, ife a na-egosi ebe a, made in Anambra, made in ala Igbo products. Ife alụlụ na be anyị ka a na-egosisi. Akwa niile ifuru ndị a ji eme ife alụlụ ya na be anyị, a wee kwa ya dịka akwakwa na-egosikwa for exports. Na onye chọrọ ime export, ndị awụ nke anyị, ndị alụrụ na be anyị. Na-efukwalụ nke a o kozie ka ọ bidi ka aza etu a, ọ bidi ka eko ife ahụ etu a. ọ dị egwu ụdị akwa nna ahụkwa na ebe a mana ife na-ebe ekpere ewu nke ọbụla a na-eyi ka ọ na-emechinata ahụ o nwere ụdị m aha ala ka ị na-ene agbawa ha anụ ọtọ maka ịma ebe ị na-enye anya obodo uche nsọ m ha anyị na-achọ nke adịka na-eyishi akwa nnọọ akwa eyishi ahụ nke a nwere onye chịkọtara ya n'azụ achị nke a kazikwa ụdị anyị na-afụ na ebe a na-agba akwụkwọ.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Google's clothing. Please put your hands together for them.
Okay, another group got another designer ehika ndị gosila ebe a obodo obele nna ahọrọkwa akwa ma ọgwụ na na-ahọrọ akwa nna ahọrọ akwa ebe a mgbada kwadome ị na-ahụkwa ndị ya ahọrọ ama na ndị telọ na-elesapụ anya mana ife ka mkpawo iji akwa alụlụ be anyị wee kwagodi akwa alụlụ be anyị ka anyị na-epromote anyị mana ha na-akwa akwa mana nke a material niile ya na-afụ ebe alụrụ ya na be anyị anyị ha akwara egwu ọ na ha abụ
Amazing.
And now we get to announce our headline designer.
Yes.
Yes.
The one that's made this evening possible. The one who brought a team together with the initiative to boost fashion.
Yes.
Not just in this state, but in the entire region of the Southeast.
Absolutely, in Africa. So we introduce specially
Please put your hands together. Put your hands together. All the designs you're going to be seeing were inspired by our own local textile, Afuete.
Afuete. Even in Africa, our Afuete. Afuete. Ngwanụnụ daalụnụ ndị tinyere anya ha ebe a ka anyị na-emechikọta nke taa anyị echi yakwa ọzọ ahụ na-esọskraịbụ bụ biko sọskraịbụ soro anyị na ife anyị na-egosikarị ewu ife ndị Igbo dịka afọ anyị si wee dị Igbo Area TV ngwanụ bye bye.